Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Richie Rich. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. In this video, guys, I'm going to go over the lead lightning system. How it's going to help serve you, build your business, generate leads, build secondary income, and just show you what this $7 product will help transform pretty much your business all in one. So you can see, guys, this is the lead cap. It's the front end system for the power lead system. It's a $7 funnel. And like I said, I'm just going to show you, take you through, like it says, easy to use, easy to build a list, no monthly fees, and help just, boost sales and enrollment. You can see some great testimonials. It's my good friend James Fomba right here and some other people. But let me show you what you get when you get inside the lead lightning system. You're going to get ready to go sales funnels. You don't have to think about trying to set up the funnels. Everything's done for you. It's beginner friendly. We have tutorials in here to show you how to build your skill set, how to build your email list, create nice sales funnels without paying expensive, $100 monthly fees. Done for you autoresponders. Autoresponders are not cheap, guys. What's great about this, excuse me, get this out of the way, is in here you get a full autoresponder system which you can email your list anytime. You want to email them 24 hours, 48 hours, set up a date, you can do all that. Contact manager, great ways basically to build traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. If you don't have traffic, guys, you're dead in the water. You need to generate leads to your lead capture page. You need to show them what you're offering. And it's just not one time. It doesn't take someone to buy something until 6 times when they see it. So you really, really want to get in front of your pretty much customers out there. Additional marketing help, you can track your commissions as you bring in people. You got an e-wallet system you have to pay for. It's built inside. You can see it's in 188 countries. So this is worldwide. And like I said, $6 commission. So every time, you make a $7 sale, you get $6 commission. So this is what's great about the business. You can see all the testimonials from people who've been inside the system. And what I'm going to do, guys, it's very easy to set up. So once you get in here, you just, buy now. You fill in all your information. So I'm going to set up the fake account. So John Smith, and I'm just going to use one of my emails I use. Let me just go inside my old emails and put that in again. And what I'm going to do when I get inside my system, basically I'm going to delete this email, but I'm going to show you, once you put in your email here, you enter, you referred by, it's my name, Rich. So when I continue here, now it's going to break everything down. You pull in all your billing information. You see what you get when you're inside the lead capture page. Like I said, funnel done for you, instant $6 commission, the contact manager, and done for you autoresponder campaign, all for $7, guys. So now, once you get in here, now if you want to upgrade to the power lead system, I'm going to show you how to do that, and watch this. Guys, hey, this is Richie Rich again, and I'm inside my power lead system. So once you take the $7 course, guys, you get in, you'll see all the fun. But if you want to upgrade and build commissions, this is the system you want to be in. This is turnkey. Like I said, you get unlimited lead capture pages, you get professional emails written out, step-by-step traffic generation, and this commission structure is phenomenal. So every time, guys, I'm going to show you, you're here, so you're paying, pretty much you're paying $30, you're paying $29 plus 30, so you're paying $53.97 a month. So you're the customer and affiliate. So every time you bring somebody in, guys, this is on your power pay line. So that's you, this is all the people get paid. Now, the first 6, you first get one, goes the up line, you get one, goes up the line, you get one, goes the up line, and after that, the next, after 4, then the next one goes up to your leader, your upline. So you can see the structure right here, guys. This is just, $20 commissions paid out. You build that up, you pay line. So you can watch this whole video on how to generate, $50 commission with the power lead system, $20 commission with the power lead system. Then you have upgrade systems. If you want to learn free traffic, which I have, you can learn traffic techniques, how to free advertising techniques. For every person you get an upfront 100 frontline commission, and on people you bring in, 25 override. Then you have the Social Profit Academy. This is a Facebook marketing course. Great, you want to learn everything about Facebook, you would learn here. So every time you pay that price, you get $400 frontline commissions and unlimited period underneath you, $50 overrides. And this is the newest Traffic Institute. This came out about, I'd say maybe 4 or 5 months ago. But this is, top guys who teach you everything from YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic, Instagram, solo ad providers, how to really generate your business to up. So this is one-time fees, guys. This is a one-time, and there's no monthly fees with this. So like I said, talked about that matching bonus. You get $50 matching bonus. So like I said, you bring in these people, here's how you make the $50 matching bonus right here. So if they're bringing in this much, Mary's bringing $980, you're gonna get each month $490. John makes $1,800, you're gonna get $900. Sue makes $3,500, you're gonna get half of her, $1,750. Tom makes $400, you get $200. This is monthly, as long as people staying active with the system. And guys, everyone needs a lead capture page for their business. Everyone needs a marketing system to build their business. This is not something, you have to sit there, day in and day out on how to build. It's unlimited commission. So like I said, guys, this viral system, it's beautiful. Lead capture page is get a $7 trial. We try it out. You'll learn more. So I'm going to take you inside some of my back office to show you, what my lead capture page is all about inside the system. So guys, here inside, this is my Power Leads back office. So you can see everything from getting started, your email campaigns you can build, website manager, subdomains. So you just purchase one domain, you create unlimited subdomains. So I have Market with Richie. You can promote your different advertising, text links, emails, banners, traffic exchanges, everything you need to advertise your business. Your contact manager group, training, everything from social free endless free leads, master traffic academy. Here you can upload your information. You want to edit information, your email, your company. If you're in a primary company you want to promote. So this is just a bit. So here, guys, you can see I have unlimited funnel pages I can create. So just to give you an idea for my lead capture page here, click this link just to give you an example what they look like. We have live webinars every Wednesday night at 10 p.m. You can use this to market. And I'm just going to show you a few other lead capture pages here. This is one for the lead lightning system, another one for the lead lightning system, and just another one. So guys, these are pages I haven't even created. They're created by you. If you want to, you can take these pages and edit them if you want. But I don't know why you want to do that. You can just market these. If you feel you want to change them, go ahead. Add a little spice, change it up. But guys, this system is already set up for you. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. It's all done for you, as you can see. So like I said, you can see tons of my lead capture pages in the back office. I have custom pages. And what's cool, if you have a team, you can create a code. So if I want to share this with my team, I can use share codes. So I have a bunch of share codes I can use. So I'm not showing everything, so I don't want you to use the code, but some of these codes here you can use. So guys, everything you need to do is build your business is here in the system, Power Lead system. Subdomains, you can create unlimited subdomains all you want, comfort of your home. So guys, this is what it's about. Everything you need is here inside the Power Lead system. So right now you can see I have my domain set up. I'm an affiliate, and I have to buy these two. I have a great sponsor, Rob Frazier's helping me out. So guys, any questions you have, I've been doing this. I actually had, all this up to Social Profit Academy, but I was under someone I didn't want to be under anymore. I found a new sponsor, which I'm happy with. But like I said, guys, everything you need is here in this lead system. So just get signed up with the Lead Lightning system to learn everything we're doing. Then you get inside our group. We have a Facebook group, share information. Right? So every week I'm going to be putting out a video and going over different things with email campaigns, sales funnels, traffic generation, editing your sales pages, everything you need. So guys, any questions, click the link below. This is Richie Rich. I'll see you on the side. Have a great day.